In this question, we are asked to simplify fully a rational expression. So what we are going to do first is factorize the quadratic expression, which is the numerator. So factorize the numerator. To do that, I'm going to remember that a quadratic of the form ax squared plus bx plus c will, in most cases, will factorize into two brackets, a pair of brackets. So I know that my resultant factorized form will have two brackets multiplied together. Now, to achieve 6x squared when I expand, I could have a 6x and an x, or I could have a 2x and a 3x. We just need to see what works. To achieve that constant term of minus 2 on the end, I know that I'm going to have a 1 and a 2. Now, one of those will have to have a minus in order to make it a minus 2. So we could try minus 2 and plus 1. If we try that, if we now expand it, we have 6x squared minus 12x plus 1x, which is just plus x. 1 times minus 2 is minus 2, take away 2, which is 6x squared minus 11x minus 12x plus 1x is minus 11x minus 2, which is identical to the numerator, so that works. So fortunately then, we don't need to worry about the other possibilities. So what I'm going to do now is rewrite my rational expression. So I have 6x squared minus 11x minus 2 over 8x minus 16 is equivalent to what I've just worked out. So 6x plus 1 bracket x minus 2. I know these are equivalent expressions. All of that over 8x minus 16. My second step now is to factorize fully the denominator. Now the denominator is a linear expression. So what I'm going to do to factorize it is simply look at the highest common factor between the two terms. So what is the largest number, whole number that goes into 8 and 16, or minus 16? Well, it's going to be 8. I've got to be careful to factorize it fully. We could take out a factor of 2, but I want to take out the largest factor possible. So I end up with 6x plus 1, x minus 2, over 8, because 8 is the largest number to divide into 8 and 16, bracket x minus 2. My last step is to cancel any common factors that exist on the numerator and denominator. Well, I can see the only factor which is common on numerator and denominator is x minus 2. So I can simply cancel those two brackets out, and I get 6x plus 1 over 8, which would be my final answer.